Hi, welcome back. Today I've got some really fun things to show you. So we've got some brand new eyeliners and lip liners that just launched. So I'm going to show you this eyeshadow combination with this new eyeliner, and you can see it is blue, which I'm really excited about. We have never had a blue eyeliner. The last time I wore blue eyeliner was like maybe in high school or maybe in middle school even. So I have not worn blue eyeliner in a long time. But it is becoming back and it's super trendy right now. And I tried it out today and I'm actually really loving it. So if you have brown eyes, if you have blue eyes too, it's really gonna make your eyes pop. So even with green eyes, it can be really pretty as well. So anyway, today what I'm gonna be showing is I'm going to show you these new things. So we've got, like I said, new lip liners and new eyeliners. So the new eyeliners are... There are 4 new eyeliner colors. They're not new. Let me take that back. There's the black's the original, so that's black stays, steely stays, brown stays. The blue is the new one, but they're all formulated brand new. So I'm actually gonna try them all out on the back of my hand. Tell me down below which one is your very favorite. So this one is the dark brown, and then so the cool part about these are that they are waterproof. So they are not going to go anywhere. They stay all day long. They do not budge at all. If you sneeze, if you cry, if you go swimming, they do not budge. It's incredible. So I'm super excited about that. We used to only have, the only waterproof was the liquid. That one is the steely, so it's a little bit gray. Then we've got black next. So like I said, the waterproof used to only be, though, the liquid eyeliner, which I loved. Absolutely loved that it was waterproof. I could wear it all the time. I didn't have to worry about it at all, ever. So I love that. And now all the eyeliners are the exact same. So we've got brown, steely, we've got the black, and then you've got the, I think it's called navy. Let me just double check real quick. Blue. It's called just blue. So those are the 4 eyeliner colors. Tell me down below which one's your very favorite. And then the 2 lip liner colors I have right now. So there are more. There are more that launched. There's some nudes. There's, I think, 6 different nude colors. So beige nudes, mauve nudes. And then there are also the regular ones we always have had. So the red, the berry. There's a hot pink one now too. So let me go ahead and show you these ones. So this is the color I'm going to use today with you as well. It's beautiful. It is the beige nude. So I think it's perfect. I'm actually going to put it on my lips right now. So I like to just outline my lips first. One cool thing too is it does not feather at all. So it doesn't go anywhere. It stays on so nice and long. So if you've been looking for a way to make your lipstick stay a lot longer, this is going to be a game changer for you, because the color and the pigment are going to still be on your lips regardless. If your lipstick is on or not, your lip liner is not going to budge. All right. I tried these out the other day and I went straight to dinner, ate, drank, and after dinner my lipstick was still on because of my lip liner. I just did lip liner with lip gloss. I love a good, like, really easy routine like that. So a lip liner with a lip gloss over it. I love this color. Absolutely love this nude. It's so perfect for fall too, or just everyday makeup. Okay, I've got it all covered now. So there we go. That is, again, this one is called the Beige Nude. Beige Nude. And then we had the hot pink as well. So let me test that one out on the back of my hand for you. Ooh, it's so pretty and bright and beautiful. I love it. That just screams summertime to me. So let's vote. Tell me down below, which one's your favorite? Out of the eyeliners, which is your very favorite? We've got the blue, we've got the black, we've got the steely, we've got the brown. Over here, the lip liners, we've got the hot pink, and we've got the beige nude. So vote down below. Tell us your very favorite one. I'm going to put a little bit, so you can leave this all by itself. It's a matte, so that's how it dries, is matte. So you can leave it by itself, or you can add a little bit of lip gloss. I always like a little bit of lip gloss, so I'm going to add Sheer Illusion today. So it's not going to change the color. It's just going to add a little bit of a pearly iridescent shimmer to it and hydrate my lips. All right, there we go. So that's the beige nude with the sheer illusion on top. What do you think? All right, now let's go ahead. I'm gonna do my eyeshadow combination with you. Super, super simple. So I already have my primer on. I did that when I put my first eyeshadow combination on. So my eye primer is already on. Now here's what we're gonna do. I'm gonna take my blending brush. I'm gonna pick up Hazelnut first. So right there is Hazelnut. And Hazelnut is going to be my very first color I'm gonna apply today. I'm gonna mix the Hazelnut too with Espresso, which is right here. So I'm gonna put a little bit of Espresso, take a little bit more Hazelnut, stack them on top of each other, blend it all out. That's going to be kind of my base. So I wanted a color that was kind of in between the two. And I could have used mahogany, but I wanted it to be a little bit cooler because I'm gonna use this one right here, which is Starry Night, over the top of it. So that's how I added that little bit. You can see that shimmer right there. That is the Starry Night. So I like combining different colors like this. So this is the Espresso and the Hazelnut. Those just look like they match with this blue so much better than this brown does. So this brown right here is Mahogany, which is one of my favorite eyeshadow colors ever. If you followed me for very long, you're like, I'm kind of sick of seeing the same Mahogany, Maddie. I know. It's one of my very favorites. But for this blue combination today, since I wanted it to make it a little bit cooler, that's why I'm doing the Espresso and the Hazelnut instead. All right, so I'm gonna take a little bit more of the Hazelnut on top here and just blend this all out. You can always add here's how I add just a touch of a darker color. Just literally tap in one time and then just apply this right in the outer corner. So you can see it brings just a little bit of color, and then I'm just blending this all out. Just to darken it up just a touch before we add the Starry Night. So those were both matte eyeshadows. Now I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna take the Starry Night, which is right here, like I said. It's the navy blue eyeshadow. And I'm gonna add that right over the top of it. You can see it makes it just a touch darker, just a little bit darker, nothing too crazy. It's also just adding that little bit of blue so that your eyeliner is gonna pop that much more. So it's just kind of a darker combination, a little bit of a darker combination, not anything too dark. Like I would wear this to the store, I'd wear this on an average day, a regular makeup day. What I like about that little bit of blue is that, like I said, it just ties in with the eyeliner. All right, let's add the eyeliner. Okay, so I'm gonna add the blue eyeliner today. And I also want to show you how waterproof these are in just a second too. So after I get done with this, I'm going to actually rub my hand and I'll show you how nice and waterproof they are. So I'm going to okay, another thing I love about these eyeliners, if you've used the eyeliners before, actually, let me just show you. Okay, so this is an old eyeliner. When you apply this, you have to be I feel like you have to press very hard to get it to, not very hard, but you have to press harder than I guess my new eyeliner here. So you have to press harder to make sure that it glides on nice and soft. The new one, it glides on so much easier. It is so creamy based. So this one, it kind of like you have to really press down to make it get a good line like that. Where, actually, let me compare it to the new gray so that you can see the two right next to each other too. This is the new gray, so the new Steely. You just barely have to press down at all, and it glides on so easy. But if you love Steely, it's the exact same color. It's just the formula is, one, it's waterproof, like we already talked about. So waterproof is amazing. I love waterproof because it's not going to go anywhere. But for me, it's the way that it actually applies. So I'm sure, like I said, if you've watched my videos before, you've watched me put on my eyeliner and I smudge my eyeliner out a lot. And that is really because it was kind of difficult to make sure that I got my eyeliner in a straight line. So I would smudge it out and make it look really natural and make it look nice. With these ones, you do not have to do that at all because the way they apply is so much better than the previous eyeliners. I'm really, really impressed with these. You can see how just gently I'm pressing here. Okay, and then also how to remove these since they are waterproof. If you're watching right now and you're like, okay, great, so they don't come off with water. How do I get rid of these then? It is the brand new oil-free eye makeup remover. It'll be your best friend, your absolute best friend. It removes everything waterproof. It's also oil-free, so that it is not going to hurt your eyes or anything. It's dermatologist approved, dermatologist tested. It is also ophthalmologist tested and approved. So it's got the best ingredients in there for your eyes. I'm gonna pick up my mirror real quick while I keep talking. It's got the best ingredients for your eyes and cleaning your eye area, but without ooh, I almost just made a really big mess there, but I did not. It's all good. So anyway, it's got, I'm so sorry. It separates. So it separates the same. It is mostly the exact same as the last oil-free eye makeup remover. The biggest difference that I noticed personally, because the oil-free eye makeup remover is one of my very favorite products. It's probably my very favorite Mary Kay product out of everything. It works so well. It works on everything. It removes everything. It's an amazing product. So I've always loved it. It's been around forever. It's always been my bestseller. It's been Mary Kay's bestseller. One sells every 5 seconds actually, which is incredible. 5 minutes. Every 5 minutes, one sells, which is absolutely incredible. Actually, no, it's 5 seconds, which is crazy. Worldwide though, worldwide. So anyway, it's offered all across the globe. I'm putting on a little bit of primer before I put on my mascara today. So my mascara, so I curled my lashes, I added a little bit of primer, and now I'm putting on my mascara. So this is the Lash Fanaroma mascara. It's water resistant. It is not waterproof. So there is a waterproof that is the Lash Love if you do want waterproof for your mascara as well. Anyway, back to the oil-free eye makeup remover. So it's incredible. I think no, I took it to my bathroom. I was gonna say I thought I had one here, but I don't. It's in my bathroom. But anyway, it's separated. So it's got kind of the top half and the bottom half, and you shake it to activate it before you apply it to your eye. I always put it on a cotton round. I just apply it right to my eye. I take my lipstick off with it as well. It is going to remove all the makeup on your eye area or your lip area. And it's also gonna cleanse that area. So it's amazing to me that we don't cleanse our eyes more often because our eyes fill with bacteria. So it's so important that you're making sure that area is very, very clean. So cleaning your eyes with the oil-free eye makeup remover is a huge benefit, absolutely huge benefit. It also, like I said, it removes all the stuff without tugging or pulling. So I've showed it on here so many times before. So you can go back and you can check some of those videos. In the new one, it looks the same. It feels the same, it smells the same. The only thing that I've noticed a difference is you don't need as much. So just use a little bit more, and a little bit goes a lot longer. So, which I love that. All right, I'm doing one more coat of my Lash Fanaroma mascara. I love this mascara, by the way. Then I want to hear down below, what do you think about this combination? Do you like the eyeshadow combination with the blue eyeliner? Do you like the lip look? Do you like both? Which one's your favorite? Tell me down below in the comments. And make sure if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, you do. Because I am getting close to 1,000 subscribers, and once we hit 1,000, then I'm going to be doing a giveaway. So make sure you're entered in to win my giveaway by subscribing here, and stay tuned for the details. So thank you guys so much for hanging out with me today. Thanks for tuning in with me. If you want to purchase any of these items, they will be available on my website on August 16th. Otherwise, if you contact me right now, I can actually order them for you already. So let me show you though. So these ones are all the eyeliners. These are the lip liners. Then these two, I was testing between the Steely, and actually I have no clue what's going to happen when I touch those. So anyway, let me show you here though. No smudging. We love it. Let me show you over here. No smudging. Again, we love it. We love waterproof. We love this. This is fantastic. Do you see how hard I'm pressing too? I'm actually like pressing really hard. We love it. We love it. Now, let's see what happens when I do that to our old eyeliner. So this kind of squiggly line here, that's the old eyeliner. This one up here, not waterproof, not waterproof. This one up here is waterproof. So let's see what happens. Okay. Well, there we go. We have the answer. So it did not Look at that. It started to go away. It started to like erase a little bit and definitely smudged out more. So anyway, look at that. I mean, I am like really scrubbing my hand right there. I'm sold. I love them. I hope you love them too. So anyway, thank you so much for tuning in with me today. Make sure, again, you let us know down below which ones were your favorite. So let me show you one last time. I love how these are so cute. I love that I can put these in a container because I always stick them in a container. And I'm going to actually be able to see from the top exactly what I'm looking at. If I'm looking at, oh, hang on, I've got these switched. If I'm looking at eyeliners, if I'm looking at lip liners, and exactly which color I'm looking for. So again, we've got 4 new eyeliner colors. We've got the steely, the brown, the black stays the same, and then we've got the added in blue. And then for lip liners, there are all different new shades. There are about, I think there's 6 nudes, and then there's still the red, the berry, the rose, and then they added in a hot pink as well. So tell me what you think down below. Tell me if you're excited about this new launch. I'm so excited about this, so I hope you're excited about it too. And I will see you guys back here next time. Bye.